Good day, good day, good day. Uh, New week, new money. I figured I should go ahead and make another analysis video for you this week. We had a very solid run to the upside on Friday. Well, most of the USD pairs. This is actually not USD. A USD pair. This is us30. All right, but we had a very crazy run last week. Price just got crazy volatile and shot all the way up. We broke last week's, sorry, not last week's high. Is it 1, 2, 3? The third week's high. Okay, we violated that one. Shot all the way up to the upside, breaking that key level over there after it had held for quite some time, really. And then right now I'm expecting higher prices. Obviously, we need to look at a new retracement key area right here, which is the 44556.46 key level maximum retracement primary key level. On the weekly time frame, we do have a fair value gap on the same weekly time frame here. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight that one out. Okay, that's what that looks like. I'm gonna remove this. We don't need this, not anymore, except for highlighting our new key level low, which is our secondary on the weekly time frame. So that would be our maximum key low to the downside. Now I'm not seeing price coming all the way to that specific key level unless of course it breaks our weekly primary key level to the downside, and then we might definitely expect price to potentially retrace all the way back to these secondary weekly lows. I'm not seeing that happening anytime soon though. I am expecting higher prices on the continuation move to the upside. Now what's happening this week? I'm expecting a very short retracement to the 4-hour primary. We've got a very long trading range since that huge uptick to our new key highs. I am expecting that retracement nonetheless. So just a quick analysis here would be for price to retrace all the way back to this key level over here, potentially all the way to the secondary. All right, and then we might see an expected continued push to the upside to create new highs. Right, that's just potentially some possible outcomes here. We are not going to forget about the weekly fair value gap that has been newly created here. So let's just go ahead and highlight that too, just in case you guys may expect lower prices before price breaks this key level over here. Okay, so just another key level that might get taken out. I'm not eyeing out this key level and saying that price is gonna hold at this key level over here and shoot all the way to the upside. I'm not seeing that happening. I'm seeing price actually breaking all the way and retracing all the way back to our 4-hour primary and potentially our 4-hour secondary. Anything is possible at this point. We're just gonna have to wait and see how everything plays out. But yeah, that's my analysis for US30 this week. Just expecting a retracement all the way back to the downside. Right now, as for what's happening on the template, let's go ahead and pull that one up. Okay, looking at our template here, what we have is the first couple of signals that we sent last week before the market actually closed. Our first sell-off signals. This was on the 15-minute time frame. We also had some signals sent out on the 30-minute time frame. This was signaling to us already that we are expecting a retracement here. All right, and then on the 1-hour time frame, we literally just got that first signal today after market open. Had a fake out move to the upside, tiny retracement, and then continuation move. So this continuation move here was a fake out because we recently just broke our primary to the downside, right? And obviously we're expecting price to continue selling off, but nope, price decides, nah, we're gonna fake out a couple of people, right? That was the fake out. So somebody would have jumped into that by expecting that we're already on a continuation move to the upside, but no, not yet. Okay. So yeah, H4 top trading range. This is what price was targeting last week. Okay, price shot all the way up to that specific key level over here after that rejection on our trend channel. Close enough, at least. But anyway, this was the key level the price was targeting, our maximum key level over here. We are expecting higher prices, like I said, because this last week was our overshot level. Okay, it was our overshot level. So since we have basically created a new high, we've got a new range, obviously, and new key levels that we need to be eyeing out. So this right here is our center point, which is our pivot. And at the same time, remember that this is a weekly fair value gap. Okay, so that on its own is confluence that this is a key level that is more or less likely to get taken out. Okay, more or less a key level that is more or less likely to get taken out. So H4 bottom range, right? That's in line with our primary key level on the 4-hour time frame. So that also is confluence. Okay, that also is confluence. But this was a really solid push to the upside. Really nice stuff. Unfortunately, I was not in the buy trade on this asset, not on Friday at least. But anyway, yeah, this is what I have for you guys this week. Let's see how everything plays out. In the meantime, we're already in the sell. Let's get it. Cheers. Let it be.